Want the FluxusZ VNG executor key for a 32-bit device? I'll show you step by step. Quick safety note: only use official downloads and never share your key. First, confirm you're on a 32-bit device and have a stable internet connection. Download FluxusZ VNG from the official link in this video's description. Install the app, grant basic permissions, then open FluxusZ VNG. Open the app and tap Get Key to reach the key dashboard. If needed, register a free account using email and verify instantly. Tap Generate Key, choose the 32-bit device option, then confirm. Copy the generated key to clipboard. This is your executor access token. Open your Fluxus executor, paste the key into the key field, then save. Run a simple safe script to test connection, like a harmless print command. That's it, your key is active. Like and subscribe for more Roblox tips.